This is the VIOFO dash camera. So you got the front camera here, the rear camera here. Let me just kind of show you some of the footage from this as I talk about this. It's nice that it has a large display. It's easy to navigate through the menu on the dash camera. It's nice that it has both a front and a rear camera. And I will let you look at the video quality for yourself. I recorded this in 1080p, but this is kind of the quality that you can expect to see from this dash camera. All of the footage that you are seeing is coming directly from the SD card. One nice thing about this dash camera is it does seem to have more USB-C cables than other dash cameras I've tried, so it seems a little bit more universal. This was sent to me so I could test this out and make this video. Overall, I'm really happy with it. There are a ton of settings that you can set on this dash camera, so you can set it exactly how you want it, and then you don't have to worry about it again. It will just record forever and ever. If you need to save a recording, all you have to do is press this middle button here, then it saves it. If you get in an accident or you hit a big bump or something like that, it's also going to put it in another folder to protect that file so that you don't overwrite it. So it's nice that you have that security with this dash camera. Let me show you what you get out of the box, and we'll go through all of the settings for this. So some of the nice things about this is it does have a Sony image sensor. It's got HDR, GPS built in as well. So let's have a closer look at everything that you get with this little guide to show you how to set this up. All right, so we've got the camera that goes to the rear assembly. It is USB-C to USB-C. That's kind of unique. So you got USB-A to USB-C, a tool to help conceal the wires. So this plugs into your cigarette lighter, and it's got 2 USB ports on it. And then here's another cable, USB-A to USB-C. And here are extra stickers if you ever need to remove it and put it back on again. Here is the rear camera, and I suppose you could also use it as an interior camera instead if you don't want to set it up as a rear camera. And here is the main unit with the front facing camera, and it's really easy to change to any angle that you want for this. Here's where you can place your micro SD card. Let's go ahead and plug this in so we can verify everything works before we set it up in our car. And as soon as you power it on, it does begin to record. Go ahead and select English. Yes, we will do miles per hour. So it is recording. So here on the screen, it makes it kind of obvious what it is doing. It has the date, which is accurate, and time, which is also accurate. It says the resolution we are recording in, for how long we've been recording, if Wi-Fi is on or off. Oh, I just saved the video. That's nice and easy. Indicates that we are recording right now. So video settings, we can change the resolution. I'm going to change this to 1080p. Video bitrate, we'll go to high. Loop recording, we'll do every 3 minutes. Record audio on, yep, I like that. HDR, stamp, yes, we want date, yes, we want GPS. Infrared LED, yes, I want to keep that on auto. Parking recording, image rotate and mirror if we need to do that. Live video source, so I can watch the live video source. I can do the front camera or the rear camera if I had that plugged in. System settings, I can turn on Wi-Fi, I can change the time zone, I can change the date and time if I need to. Boot delay, I will keep that off, but you can delay when this boots up. You can turn off the beeps if you need to. You can also turn off voice notifications. I'm actually going to go ahead and do that. Voice control, I will keep that on so I can do different commands. And so you can do all of these commands. GPS, I will keep on. It does have a screensaver, so it will turn off after a while. Frequency, I'm going to change this to 60 Hertz. Format SD card, let's go ahead and do that. Because I just formatted, there are no existing videos, but you could view those here. That's kind of nice. So let's start recording. So we are recording now. Hello, I'm recording. And now we should be able to see that video, and indeed we do. So we can view the video here. And as soon as I unplug, it automatically shuts down. I hope this video helped. Overall, this is a really impressive dash camera. Every car needs a dash camera. If you ever get in an accident, you need to protect yourself and be able to prove who was at fault. And this is simply the best way to do that. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.